If you're new to painting, the Moore method is a game changer for simplifying your process and boosting your confidence. You only need 3 primary colors, white, and just 3 brushes. It's that easy. Step 1. Draw in the big shapes. Use your largest brush and sketch out the main forms with thinned paint. Think of this as laying the foundation for your masterpiece. Step 2. Block in the values. Fill in lights and darks with your limited palette. Focus on contrast, not color accuracy. This builds depth early on. Finally, step 3. Add the details. Bring in your medium and small brushes. Add highlights, edges, and refine shapes. This is where your painting truly comes to life. By sticking to a few tools and a clear structure, the Moore method makes painting approachable and fun. So, grab your brushes and colors and give it a go. And if you're ready to dive deeper, join me at Let's Paint Taiwan for hands-on learning. See you there.